Many people want to know how to upgrade to gold membership because gold membership is where you have full access to the meal plan for 30 days. We have meal plans for Ghana, for Nigeria, and an international one. As more countries come on board, we'll have more meal plans. These will have usually they'll have the recipes, the pictures, and the videos. You can also generate meal plans through the AI by using credits. Now, what you'll find is at the start here, you can see membership status is trial. Now, what we want to do is we want to be able to log in and see this as gold because this also gives you access to the exercises, also to all the training that we do, all the workshops we do on all these different lifestyle diseases and possible reversal of them too also, and so many more things. So what I'm going to do, you can see it's 1,000 here. So if we go, let's get started. So you go to let's get started, and then when you get to let's get started, what you'll see is you'll see unlock full access to all meal plans by upgrading to our gold membership. So all you have to do is click on the gold membership. Obviously, you have so many different options here, bronze, silver, gold, but you're gold, you're worth it, you're gold. So all you do is you click on gold, and then all you do is you can see it says 600 credits. We have 1,000 credits. So that means that by the time we finish this, we should only have 400 credits left. So I'm going to click on submit. Now it's going to say, it's going to ask me, am I sure? Please confirm you're happy for your system to deduct 600 credits points for your gold membership. And all I do is click on yes, click on I'm happy, yes. And then it says, congratulations, you have successfully upgraded. And click OK. Yeah. And then obviously at the end of that, you just close the system. Now remember, if you go to settings now, click on settings, what you'll see in settings is, remember we had 1,000, didn't we? So we should have 400 now. So we have 400. So that means our credits has been taken for the gold membership. Give it a few minutes, and after a few minutes, it will upgrade you to gold. After a few minutes, it will upgrade you to gold. So that's it. So simple as that. So I hope you found that useful and see you at the gold level.